Welcome to BCS Consultants, a proud woman-owned business delivering over 25 years of professional expertise in audio-visual, security, networking, and integrated business communication solutions. If you're opening a new office, upgrading your workspace, or expanding to multiple locations, finding the right AV solutions, security systems, and network cabling contractor and vendors can be overwhelming. Managing multiple vendors often leads to delays, confusion, and solutions that don't play well together or will scale with your business and ultimately can cost you more. That's where BCS Consultants can help. We're your one-stop shop, from consultation and design to installation, as well as providing ongoing support for your business. Our specialties include audio-visual solutions, cabling infrastructure, security and surveillance systems, enterprise networking, digital signage, video conferencing and sound masking solutions. Our services are built to scale, from local projects to national rollouts. We serve clients nationwide and have the resources to scale. A one-time project build to multi-location rollouts. And we provide a fully customized solution to fit your goals, timeline, and budget. Founded in 2001 and based in Irvine, California, BCS Consultants is a certified woman-owned business that brings over 2 decades of proven expertise and experience working with most industries. Fully licensed and insured, BCS maintains up-to-date certifications to meet industry and compliance standards. As a licensed, bonded, and insured low-voltage and security contractor, our team meets the highest industry standards for every project. Here's why businesses choose BCS Consultants again and again. We tailor every solution to fit your specific business needs and budget. We partner with top-tier brands like Cisco, Crestron, Verkada, LG, and many more to ensure you always receive the latest technology. Our national footprint means consistent quality across all locations. We also offer industry-leading warranty coverage and support packages to keep your systems performing at their best. BCS Consultants has been honored by Cisco as Small Business Partner of the Year and featured by Inc., 500 OC Business Journal, and more for our growth, innovation, and leadership in women-owned enterprises. Client satisfaction drives us forward. These testimonials reflect the trust and results we're proud to provide. Let BCS Consultants help you build smarter, connect faster, and work better with integrated solutions designed for the future. BCS Consultants, where innovation meets execution excellence. Call us or visit our website for more information. We look forward to serving you.